हेलो नमस्ते वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर मैं हूं कीर्ति और आप देख रहे हो केएच की जिंदगी। सो इफ यू आर नॉट न्यू हियर, हाउ हैज लाइफ बीन आफ्टर यू हैव डिस्कवर्ड माय चैनल? वेरी अमेजिंग आई assume. As you can see behind, not behind, you cannot see it. This was the vision board of 2024 and 80% of it came true. So today we are making another one for 2025 and we're going to get rid of all these things because why not? रहने भैया टिश्यू देना। I have all of my printouts here जो मैंने लाई हूँ। मैंने प्रेरणा को भेज दिया था, प्रेरणा जाके ले आए। So we're just going to cut them out and I'll show you as we do it. इतने सारे क्यों ले आए? पीछे से काफी मिट्टी हो रही थी। जब ये साफ हो गया तो मैं इसे अपने बेड पे रख सकती हूँ।
Welcome to Desi December Diaries with KH Vlogmas with an Indian Tarka.
So first off I'm just going to cut out everything here and then I'm going to remove everything over here. Or should I start with removing everything and then have a plain canvas and start cutting out and then start putting it up also. Tell me why I only cut 2.5 sheets till now and it's already start of getting full when these were the pictures they were last year. Alright, so I mean there were around 70 pictures and these are not 70, they are not even close to 70. I have all of this to still cut. I don't know what people are supposed to tell you in the making the vision board videos because I have not watched any, but what I would like to tell you is कि goals ऐसे रखा करो जो कि बिल्कुल भी unachievable ना हो. The goals that you know and you believe in कि हाँ अगर मैं अपना 100% दूंगी तो फिर वो possible है कि मैं वहाँ तक पहुँच जाऊँ. तो उतना आई बिलीव गोल्स रखने चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग गोल्स दैट यू वोंट वर्क फॉर और दैट यू नो विल नॉट कम ट्रू एट द वेरी मोमेंट. And always have goals in your mind but the process in the vision board so you can see what you're supposed to be doing. Instead of just having the goals put up, also put up the process so you know how to get there instead of just having कि मंजिल है उसका रास्ता भी साथ में होना चाहिए. Like dreaming of having A grades but you don't even have one single picture of you studying, that's just stupid. You need to study now in order to get those A grades. And I think people need to change their perspective from hoping and expecting to working and believing. मेरा मानना है, बाकी जिसका जो मन करे वो मानो, है ना. So and also have quotes that will make you believe in yourself and believe in things that you're doing. Okay, that's a tip from me. Not just, and I've learned not to have just the numbers, instead have the equations or situations that will make you get those numbers. Okay. How I do vision boards is I categorize मेरे दिमाग में ही कि what all do I want this year in order of the career and work life, academics wise, health wise, and then hobbies or just fun wise. I went a little less crazy this year with the course because last year half of my board was just course, and because majorly I did not have any goals last year. I was just in my 12th and all I wanted was कि ढंग की grading आ जाए और and I wanted to be on PR list of a few brands which I did end up getting on, and and that was literally the main goals I had all year. I would highly recommend for people to add in the simplest things as well, so you don't always feel exhausted looking at your vision board कि मेरे पास तो इसमें से कुछ नहीं है. Just have some things that you already do and you want to continue doing, and then have some things that you want to change and you want more of. I believe a lot, and I like don't get disappointed even if they don't happen. Like, yeah, I get sad for a bit and then I get over it, because if I keep getting sad then I won't be able to work on anything else. It's not like I only will do one thing the whole year. It's not like that. So that's why. Then we have this quote. Please ignore how I cut. मुझे नहीं आता है सीधा लाइन में काटना. So this is, I am the greatest project I will ever work on, and I'm going to put it right with the other 2025 जहाँ मैंने लगाया है.
So now that I have cut everything up, so we have, so firstly 2025 is when my dreams come true, okay? And then I'm going to just add this abundance right in the corner with it, okay? This is, then next let's start with what we want. इसके नीचे, ठीक है? इसके नीचे I'm going to add in the pictures that are like this, somebody in the center and then things are happening around, ठीक है? तो ये I'm just going to add in these ones right across here. You have no idea how amazing life is gonna get. I'm just going to put that here. Some people just get all of these photos collaged up and printed out to just stick. You can do that too, but I prefer using a pin board. Don't know why, but I do it with a pin board like I've always done it. I'm going to put on the study things at this corner, okay, and I'm going to surround it नीचे से with like healthy things, and then I'll just go with the picture and tell you what the picture is about. So I have this picture of studying with a friend at a cafe, and I really want to do that. I have a lot of pictures of me socializing a bit more because I really want to get out and be there and just have fun. So I'm just going to put this picture of the girl studying with the headphones on in the corner. Start with that. Like center पहले ऊपर करती हूँ, फिर मैं कोने कोने जाती हूँ, फिर मैं सेंटर में सब कुछ भर देती हूँ जो बचा होता है, ठीक है? And then studying with someone else, like right beneath it, and I have some space here for whatever I can find to put. Okay, that's for studies. And then I have another one of studying. I just get pictures with the same idea but different like situations. The basic point is to like study more, feel cute about it. I have hanging out with friends because, as I said, I want to do that more, and I want to start eating healthy. Lemon water, another one I had with lemon water, I don't know, I put it somewhere. Like टेढ़ा मेढ़ा करके कोलाज बनाना पड़ता है, ठीक है? एक मतलब एक सिदाई में आप उसको लगाओगे तो it will look very stupid and weird, so you have to like mess it up a little bit. this picture of a girl in the nature again because I just can't get over it. So I'm just going to put that here that you can see it's coming together. I'm going to see what else I have related to this because I like divide जैसे ही मैं photos divide करती हूँ career, health, fun ये सब वैसे ही मैं board divide करती हूँ कि quotes, studying, fun, health and then career and all of that. I'm going to start getting flowers so I'm going to put that here and I want to start driving so I'm going to put that here. I passed my driving test. I have another photo. I have another picture of the driving. I remember it. I can't find it, but I need to find it. So let me just find it. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just going to put that here and pin it down. And I really want to start exercising more and I really want to start going to the gym and I also really want to start dancing again. Like I used to dance so much, so I have a picture of a girl dancing, so I'm just going to put all of these things here. I have this waking up early, so I'm just going to put that here. And I want to have pretty nice basic clothes, so I have pictures of these to order and then I really like this picture. It just looks pretty to me, so I just printed out again. And these are just some things that I want to have, so I want to just put them here around this. I used to color coordinate the pins पहले तो white pins का मतलब ये goals हैं, blue pins का मतलब ये goals है, but I just don't do it anymore. Like it looks so put together like this thing and we're just going to spread these out and put them together as well. Okay, we have the universe in my favor. The universe is working in my favor here and I'm just going to put it here. Shopping photos because obviously कपड़े तो shopping साथ में आएगी, so just going to put that here as well. God takes care of the rest. Then I have a picture of this apartment because and it has beautiful white walls, it has full windows, full glass windows, and it's really just the perfect imagination and wooden floors, and it's really just the perfect imagination of somewhere I would wanna live and having it on my vision board so that I can see it and I could then this moving box with the same wooden floor white. Like I think I synchronized the photos in a very nice way. Then we have vlogging pictures. I really want to catch a flight, so I have that, and maybe it could be international, so I have the passport as well. And then I have how that house would look like when it's a home with a homey feeling. Packing orders, a lot of orders. Just PR packages, don't stop until you're proud. Then I have some YouTube insights, and then I have this concert picture which I forgot to put somewhere. I'm just going to put it here. And I have picture editing because obviously you wanna look at the numbers, but you have to also look at the hard work behind the numbers. So that's it. I'll just get over with this and see you guys in the next one. If you make your vision board, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Just send me a picture and I would love to look at your goals. And that's it for the video. Bye bye.